Hi guys, today is World Paperback Day. Do you know why we celebrate? Why? Because so many plastics have thrown into the sea and so many sea animals are dying. So today I am going to show you how to make paper bag. For that we need 2 shoelaces, punching machine, a glue, a chocolate and a big paper. I am going to do 2 paper bags. First I am going to do a small one. For that, first we have to take this paper, roll it like this and stick it. For that I am going to take the glue and stick it. Now we have to stick this edge. We have to close this like this. Before we are going to close it, I am going to put this chocolate inside and let's close it. Should dry till it dry. I am going to do the next one. So for the next one, I will use a big paper. Start it. First, we have to fold this like this. Now, we have to fold it in the middle. Now, we have to take this edge and we have to keep it in the center line. Now we have to fold it like this and also this side. Fold this little bit over here. And we have to glue this. Let it dry. Now it is dry. Now let's make the handle. Now I am going to use this to make that hole. Let's take the shoelaces. Okay, both are done. See how it looks like. It looks excellent. You can also make it at your home. Avoid using plastics. Let's meet in the next video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and put a thumbs up. Bye bye.